Hi guys, it's James from FXax here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the basics of MT5. How to create an account, log in, and run you through a quick platform tour so you know how to navigate around. Initially, the platform might look daunting, but we're here to make life easier for you in our MT5 tutorial series. Now, if you're coming from MT4, some things will look familiar, but there are also a few important differences. If you do find this video useful, please do like, comment and subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Anyway, that's enough from me. Let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is either open an account or log into an existing account before you can start trading and before we start learning how to navigate the platform. So what you want to do is head to File. Then you have either open an account if you're looking to open a demo account with whichever broker that you opt for. This is a generic MT5 platform, so it may look slightly different depending on which broker, but all the functionality will very much be the same. So if you want to open an account, click open account. If you have an existing account and wish to log in, you can always click log in to trade account here. What we're going to do for the purpose of this video is open a demo account. Again, this is a generic MT5 platform, so these brokers have been given to us anyway. Click next and we're going to open a demo account. Again, there is another option here. If you want to connect an existing trading account with said broker, make sure you do pick the correct server as well, along with your login details. So for now, we're going to head to open an account and click next. So once you've filled in some details, and for some brokers you might be taken to their company website if you are looking to open up a demo account for MT5. Once that's all done, you can navigate back to the platform and click File, Login to Trade Account. You will see this, just simply type in your account details. I'm going to do that now, and then we can log in. Right guys, so there's a couple of neat little ways just to double check that you have logged in successfully. One, your balance will update on the trade tab in the toolbox. We'll go through that in a little while. But also, you will see this green connection bar down here. That means you are connected to the markets and logged into your account. So there's a couple of tips if you aren't sure if you're logged in or not. Right guys, let's dive into the platform tour. So you can see here we'll have 4 charts open. Again, it may be slightly different depending on which broker you choose, but this is the standard MT5 setup once you're logged in. We'll run through some charting stuff in another episode, but we will go through the toolbar up here. However, let's dive into these couple of boxes open here. Now, firstly, the market watch. This is a list of all the assets your chosen broker will offer. So right now we can only see 4 here. A quick tip is to right click anywhere in the market watch and show all. Again, I get asked a lot of questions regarding this and why they can't see certain assets. That will fix it for you. Now you can see the whole range of assets we can trade on the platform. So that's a good quick tip for you. I would always have the market watch box open, especially if you want to watch multiple assets. It is quite important, and obviously you can open a chart directly by right clicking on the asset and clicking chart window. Here we have the Navigator box. Now, again, this should really stay open for you. This will have your accounts if you wanted to switch between multiple accounts. You can also drag and drop indicators onto your chart. Again, we won't go into that too much in this episode. And you'll have a range of expert advisors, trading robots, that you will have downloaded on your platform that you can drag and drop onto the chart. So the Navigator box is quite useful to have open at all times. If you wanted to shrink it a little bit, what we can do is that, and that opens up the chart. Handy if you want to really dial into the analysis and get rid of the rest of the noise of the platform. And finally, we have the toolbox down here. Now, if you are new to MT5, MT4 calls this the terminal. The functionality is pretty similar, if not practically the same. So here we have various different tabs which you can open. Here we have the trade box, so this will show any open positions we have and update your equity and balance based on floating and closed trades. Here we have the trade history, where you can look at your overall P&L and maybe analyze past performance. Here we have mailbox, which is not too important for you guys. This is interesting because MT4 does not have a built-in economic calendar. MT5 does. So here you can keep up to date with any of the macros and data figures that are coming out. A journal is basically just a log of everything that's happening. If you wanted to double check when you entered the trade, for example, or when you signed in, you can do that through the journal. So that's a quick run through of these three boxes. You can hide these boxes by clicking on the view button and just clicking on Market Watch. That will hide it, and if you want to bring it back, you can just click on Market Watch again. Same with all of these. We won't go through all of these in this episode. These three are the main ones that you need. They're obviously all open initially when you log into the platform, or should be, and I would keep all three open. They're all important in their different ways. So hopefully that helps in terms of the view section and navigating around the platform. Okay guys, in the final section, we're just going to run through the top toolbar here. As you can see, this will change how our charts appear. So what we're going to do first of all, and we will run through all the charting options in another episode. You'll see we've opened up Euro Dollar here. And let's run through some of the important stuff on the toolbar. Firstly, if you want to use an expert advisor, this has to be green and turned on, otherwise the expert advisor won't work. Here we can place a new order. This is on our next episode, where I'm going to teach you how to open, manage, and close new positions. Here we have something to do again with the appearance of the chart. Again, I would recommend using candlesticks. We can zoom in using these buttons on the toolbar. This is to do with our charting and scrolling. Again, we will go through that in a later video. Here we have some objects we can simply drag and drop onto the chart. Again, super useful. If you wanted to really zone in and see exactly where price is right now, using this cursor is very, very useful. So again, we can turn this on and off simply by clicking the button. And with MT5, we have access to more time frames. Now, you won't necessarily see them all here, but what you can do is right click and customize, and you can drag and drop which time frames you want available on the toolbar. So say we wanted to really have a look at the 10-minute time frame. There we go. We can simply add it to our toolbar. So guys, that brings us to the end of episode 1 of the MT5 tutorial series. Hopefully you know how to open and log into an account, ensure you know you're logged into an account, and also know how to navigate the platform a little bit more. Know how to open and close the Toolbox, Navigator, and Market Watch, and understand what they do. And also the top toolbar, understanding some important buttons and how you can customize the toolbar as well. So if this has helped, please do like, comment, and subscribe. We will really, really appreciate it. Stay tuned for episode 2 as well, where we go through some position management and opening and closing trades. So that'll be super useful for you all. Anyway, I'm James from FXAX, and I will see you at the sharp end.